In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name in a Mailchimp email. Personalizing your emails with the subscriber's name is a simple change that can make a big difference in open rates and engagement. We'll walk through how to add a first name to your message using Mailchimp's built-in tools, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you feel confident doing this on your own. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and heading to your dashboard. From there, look for the main navigation and click Campaigns. This is where all your regular emails, automations, and drafts live. If you already know which email you want to personalize, great, find it in the list. If you're working on a draft, you'll see it here too. Click the campaign or email you want to update so you can open its settings page. Next, open the email builder by choosing Edit Design. This takes you straight into the editor where you can change text, images, and layout. Give it a moment to load. You'll see the preview of your email on the left and the editing tools around it. Now click into the text block where you want to greet your reader. Often it's the first line of the email, something like, "Hi subscribers," or "Hello customers." Highlight the placeholder word you're using for your audience, whether that's subscribers, friends, or customers. We're going to replace that with a dynamic field so each person sees their own name. With that text selected, look at the toolbar in the editor and click Merge Tags. Merge tags are Mailchimp's dynamic placeholders. They pull information from your audience, like first name or last name, and swap it in for each recipient at send time. You don't have to write any code, you just choose the field you want and Mailchimp handles the rest. You'll see options for different fields. You can use last name if that suits your brand voice, or even combine names later, but for now let's choose first name. Click First Name. You'll see the placeholder appear in your text. That's your signal that the tag has been inserted correctly. When this email is delivered, Mailchimp will replace that placeholder with the subscriber's saved first name. Tidy up your greeting so it reads naturally. For example, you might write "Hi" followed by a space and the first name tag, and then another comma if that fits your style, like "Hi John" when it's sent. Check spacing and punctuation around the tag so you don't end up with double spaces or missing commas. A quick note on what happens if you don't have someone's first name. Mailchimp will insert whatever you've set up as a default for that field, or it may show nothing if no default exists. To keep your greeting friendly in all cases, write it so it still works without a name. Something like "Hi there" is a safe choice if you're unsure about your data quality. Once you're happy with the greeting and any other personalization you've added, click Save and Exit. This locks in your changes and returns you to the campaign overview. Take a moment to review the subject line, recipients, and schedule if you haven't already. At this point, you can send your email. When it goes out, each subscriber will see their own first name where you place the tag, creating that personalized touch that can boost engagement. If you want to double check how it looks, use Mailchimp's preview or test send feature before you launch your campaign and scan the greeting to make sure the name appears as expected. That's it. You've added a name to your Mailchimp email, keeping everything clean, clear, and personal. Thanks for watching and happy sending.